we are going to run.
Run? I'm not running.
Well, we're going to drive to Walgreens and get a snore mouthpiece. Tanya says that I've been snoring, and she's been trying to wake me up or get me to turn over, and she said I've been hateful. I just can't imagine me being hateful. And unless she's doing something mean, like knocking my head or smacking my face.
The only thing I do is say, sweetie, you're snoring.
I can't see you saying sweetie. If I woke you up snoring, I don't think I snore.
Yeah, maybe you guys will find out if he snores.
I don't. I think she's dreaming.
Yeah.
So, the sun's bright. Right now it's what time?
4:20.
4:20. And the sun is over here toward the, I guess, what is that? South? West?
It's on your, so whatever we're going east. We're going east, so that would be north.
Yeah.
North.
Anyway, it's bright.
It's so bright.
Yeah, I need to wear shades. I've got shades.
It's so bright. Gotta wear shades.
For meeting somebody.
Yeah.
So anyway, we're going to go get this device you put in your mouth to keep you from snoring. Even though I don't snore. So I'm going to, I guess, wear it.
He's so sweet.
Yeah. Just in case I might snore.
Yeah.
Now, I used to talk in my sleep. Whoa. Yeah. I was meeting somebody on this curve. Alright, we'll go see what they've got. Alright, we've made it to Walgreens. I'm going to be careful on this driveway. The parking spot is solid sheet ice. So let's go in here and see if they've got mouthpiece. Oh man, I still got my sunglasses on. It's dark in here. Let's see. Where in the world would it be? Okay. Said it was down through here. We got two different things. Better not sleep. So you got that. You got this thing to put in your nose. I don't know about that. Has anybody ever used one of these? What is this? Oh, same thing, put in your nose. I guess it holds your nostrils open. Well, several different things. There must be a lot of people that snore. What is this? Caffeine. I definitely don't need that. I guess if you stayed up all night, you wouldn't snore. So, I guess I'll try the mouthpiece. And Tanya will let you know if it works. If it don't work, I'll be coming back and getting the things for your nose. I don't know which is the best one to use. Guys, leave something in the comments if you know what works for snoring. Got two different things for your nose. I guess if you got a medium-sized nose, you get medium. Small, medium, large. Starter pack. Okay. We'll try this.
I've never tried this kind.
So Tanya's found some.
But it's on
sauce.
sale.
Yeah.
2 for $6. So.
Are we going to put ground moose in it?
Yeah.
Or ground caribou?
Look at us inside with our shades.
I know.
It's my prescription. I can't see anything. I can't read anything.
We forgot to change our glasses.
So, yes.
So,
We
yeah.
How about some prunes?
No, I don't need those.
Dried and sweetened. How about some dates? You want a date?
Yes.
Yeah.
Take me out to eat.
Oh.
Yeah.
How about a donut? Like your mom and dad was eating.
I know, right? That looked good. We might have to do that. All right, we're going to get